Hello, welcome to 1316 Hayes Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, completely renovated unit in the heart of Nopa. You walk in past the gates, and to the left is the mailbox and the buzzer. You walk up into this magnificent unit. You have brand new pinstripe carpeting up the stairs. This unit has been completely redone. Refinished floors, fresh paint, brand new bathroom was added. Let's start this tour off towards the front of the building. Okay, so over here is the first bedroom. All of these bedrooms are pretty equal in size. They fit king-size beds and more. Here's the view from the first bedroom. You have heating in this room, a nice closet, very spacious closet. Okay, now for the second bedroom. You have a bay window for those who work from home. This would be the ideal spot for it. A king-size bed fits in here as well. Here's the view from this room. By right is kitty corner. And this bedroom has a brand newly built closet with shelf and bar. Lots of storage space in these closets. Okay, walking down just a little bit is the third bedroom to the left. You have a beautiful banister and old schoolhouse fixture throughout the apartment. Okay, here is the third bedroom. You have a brand newly built-in closet here. You have mirrored sliding doors. And walking down just a little bit to the right is a nice big hallway closet. Tons of storage space here. Here is the first bathroom. You have a medicine cabinet, toilet, sink, tub and shower combined with brand new glass enclosure. You also have a second medicine cabinet in the back, a closet underneath that, and a linen closet. Here's inside that closet. Okay. Nice modern decor. Here is the fourth bedroom. This one is located off the street. So there are 2 large bedrooms located off the street and 2 facing south. Nice bookcase. There's plenty of room for an armoire and a nice big tall closet and tons of storage space for this bedroom as well. You are located just a few doors down from the heart of the Visadero. Okay, this bathroom is brand new. This is the second full bath with shower. You have a medicine cabinet, nice square modern fixture. Big, beautiful eat-in kitchen with quartz counters, gas range, stainless dishwasher. Plenty of space for a kitchen island and a breakfast table. There's also a coffee bar. And here is a beautiful slimline refrigerator. And behind is your pantry with lots of shelves tucked away behind the refrigerator. This unit also comes with private laundry machines and your private laundry room and the beautiful living room. You have a nice bay window here that overlooks beautiful greenery. Decorative fireplaces and 2 bookcases for additional storage. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com.